to show you a very healthy cold sandwich with simple ingredients that your kids are going to gobble down in a jiffy. So let's see how. I've made some hung curd for this sandwich, and now I'm going to mix all the ingredients for the sandwich. In a bowl, I'm going to mix all the ingredients, the hung curd. I have some Eggless Mayonnaise over here. Next, I'm going to add all the seasoning ingredients, salt, pepper, and I'm going to use some Italian pizza seasoning, very little garlic paste, coriander leaves, some ketchup, Tabasco, just a little bit of powdered sugar, very little. Just mix all these ingredients together. And now, time for the veggies. I have some very finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped carrots, and I have some red cabbage. Mix all these ingredients together. And this mix is ready. Such a healthy and colorful mix. And now I'm going to spread a nice thick layer on these brown breads that I have. Take a little bit of the mix. Cover it. Let's make another one. Cover it. I'm just going to slice the crust a little bit. And now into a triangle. Refrigerate these sandwiches till you're ready to serve. This not only makes a healthy snack for your kids, but also a good tea time sandwich. So do try it at home, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.